What's up, guys? I'm Blakemore from SummitGuitarSchool.com. Today we're going to learn Intentions from Justin Bieber. You're going to need a capo at the 2nd fret. It's all standard tuning. There's only like 3 chords in the whole thing, G, E minor, and C add 9. If you can play those chords, you can play the entire song. I'll even break down the little synth riff that I played in the playthrough, and that happens throughout the song. And yeah, so first chords, then the little riff. And let's get started. Do me a favor, if you enjoyed the lesson and you learned something, please consider subscribing and liking. Follow the links in the description. Head over to the website and subscribe to our newsletter for a free lesson once a month. No spam. I'm not trying to sell you guys anything. We're just trying to provide as much free content as we can. And then follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about the chords we need for this song. You're going to need a capo, the 2nd fret, and it's in standard tuning. The first chord you need is a G major. That's 3rd fret, middle finger, 2nd fret, index, 3rd fret, 3rd finger, and 3rd fret, pinky. All right? That's 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. Just like that. All right, so then you've got an E minor, and you can do an E minor 7th if you want. We'll just do an E minor, so that's open, 2, 2, open, open, open. Just like that. And then you're going to go to a C add 9, which is the exact same shape as the G. You just pull your index and middle in one string set each. So just like that. So that's 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open, 3rd fret, 3rd fret. So middle finger, index, open, 3rd finger, pinky. Just like that. You can also substitute that for the full C if you know that one a little bit better. I think the C add 9 is the way we're going to teach it. So as far as the strumming goes, it's pretty simple because it's the same thing through the whole time. So it's going to go down, up, down, down, up, down, down. That's the pattern that we're going to try for. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down. All right? So what we've got there is we're going to do that through the whole thing. If the problem is, the harder part is when you go from E minor to 3, 4, you got to switch and change it just a little bit when you go from E minor to C those both times. So I'll break it down really slowly here for you. So you've got down, up, down, down, up, down, down, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, that is literally it through the whole song. So when you go from the E minor to the C, let's do that again. Down, up, down, down, up, down. Same pattern, you just got to switch, and it feels a little weird because you're switching while you're kind of doing the transition with your right hand. So it's down, up, down, down. That's the regular C. You can do C add 9 too. So down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. So literally, I'll play that whole thing again. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's how you're going to do it. So that is literally through the whole thing, and then you would just kind of speed it up. If you wanted to count it in double time, it would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, and you kind of gradually speed it up. But the main pattern is down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, E minor 1. Let's take a look at this riff, all right? You're going to get a G type of thing here with your middle finger, but all you need is this right here, and your index is going to go on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. So it's going to go, I'm going to use all with a pick on this because I think it'll be a little bit easier to explain, and it can be done with the pick. So your first shape is this. It's kind of outlining this G major 7th. So I'm going, all I did was go all the way down, 6th string, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. Remember, your index is at the 2nd fret, 1st string. Your middle is on the 3rd fret, 6th string. So just like that. And then you do it again, but then you kind of got to switch, and you put your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 1st string, and your index stays on that 2nd fret, 1st string, and you go. And then you outline a D shape. So it's 6, 5, 6, 4, 3, and then you go 3 on the 1st string, 2 on the 1st string, 5, third finger on the second string, 3rd fret, second finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string. So it's, and you're really outlining a D when you do that. So you could almost go, I mean, really the easiest way is to do it the first way I showed you. So let's go with that. So there's the first shape, and then just like that. All right, 3, 2, 3, 2. So that second part is 6th string, 4th, 3rd, 3rd fret, 1st string, 2nd fret, 1st string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string. All right, and then it does that same thing again. And then it goes to E minor. And on that one, I go just regular E minor, 1 and 2, and I go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, and I kind of stop that note, just like that. All right, so boom, 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 boom. And then you actually have to do something that's a little trickier. You go, you're outlining like a C with a G in the bass. So you go, so what I'm doing is I'm going open on the 6th string, hammer on with my middle finger, 3rd fret, 6th string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, index, 2nd fret, 4th string, and then open on the 3rd string. All right, so it's just like that. Boom, 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 boom. And then you go open to the 2nd string, open to the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So it's just like that. I'll do that again really slow because I know it'll be a little tricky. So check this out. Here's the E minor part. And I stop that 3rd string open when I do that C/G chord. That pause, and I mute it. All right, so up to that point, let's do that. So I'll play the whole thing. And I pause, and then I go hammer on, pluck, 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 and then mute, open to, on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string. So just like that. And then the last bit is same E minor, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then you mute. And then it does get a little weirder here, even for me. I hammer on to the 3rd fret, 6th string with my index. And this is the weird shape here. All right, so I'm going to give you 2 ways to do it. One way might be easier than the other, but I want to give you both. So all you're really doing is you're going open on the 6th, hammer on with your index, middle finger goes to the 3rd fret. Both of these are 3rd fret. So open, hammer 3, middle finger 3rd fret, 5th string. 3rd finger has to reach back in kind of an awkward way on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. Then open on the 3rd string, and then you can get rid of these because it feels weird. And then your pinky goes on the 4th fret, 4th string, and then open back on the 3rd string. All right, now I'm going to break that down again. Just like that, all right? It's a cool chord, but you don't have to hold it all down because it really is awkward, all right? So it's, sorry. See, I told you it was awkward, so it's just like that. It's tough. It's meant to be played on like a piano, so it doesn't feel great on guitar, this specific part, but here's another way you can do it. So let me break this down again. That's open to the hammer on 3rd fret, 6th string, middle finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, 3rd finger reaches back kind of awkwardly. You can get rid of these 2 on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, open on the 3rd string, 4th fret, 4th string with the pinky, 3rd string open, all right? Just like that. And you can get rid of it. Feels weird. Or you can bar, if you feel good about barring, you could hammer on and do it like that. Ugh, that's weird too. So you could try it like that. That's hammer on, 3rd fret, 6th string, tilt it back, 3rd fret, 5th string. So you got a hinge bar is what they call that. 3rd fret, 2nd string, open 3rd fret, or open 3rd string, 4th fret, 4th string, open. I still say the first way is easier. Just just like that. So whole riff. I'll do it really slow one more time here.